Back to the news. Proponents of the people's impeachment have clarified why their complaint against President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. was not filed, saying intended congressional endorsers backed out due to intense pressure. MJ Mondiha reports.
In an official Facebook post, the proponents of the so-called people's impeachment explained why their complaint against Philippine President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. was not filed. In their statement, the group said that support collapsed for the refiling of the third impeachment complaint against the president. According to the group, the case remains strong and the evidence has not changed. However, due to intense political pressure, the congressmen who were supposed to endorse the complaint backed out.
Nakakalungkot dahil nung pumunta kami to file, nandyan yung aming mga endorsers, kaya lang hindi namin pina-expose. Precisely dahil ayaw namin ngang ma-identify sila dahil baka nga ayun na, nawala na.
Retired AFP General and lawyer Virgilio Garcia said that there were initially 3 intended endorsers who were present when the group attempted to file the complaint on January 22. They were allegedly with them on the same day when they attempted to file the complaint against the president. However, they chose not to immediately disclose the names of those endorsers after learning that the Office of the House Secretary General did not accept the complaint filed by leftist Makabayan Bloc. Because of this, forces opposed to the people's impeachment allegedly had the opportunity to approach and pressure their endorsers.
But at that time, we had 3 talaga. That's totoo. Tapos by pressure, by unti-unti, isa-isa na nawala until during the day, naantay na lang namin. So, begop na lang, hindi na sumasagot.
The group stressed that the failure to file the third impeachment complaint is not a judgment on the merits of the case. Instead, they said this reflects the current state of politics, where democratic processes are suppressed through intimidation and transactional politics, instead of being resolved through an open debate.
Hindi naman banta, pero they will be in hot water, they will be, alam mo na, yung merong matinding pressure na mangyayari sa kanila sa Kongreso, kaya nawala eh.
Because of this, no one can now pursue the filing of a new impeachment complaint since the initiation process has already been completed by the earlier complaints. This means that the 1-year bar rule will now apply until 2027 against any new impeachment proceedings against the president. The group also maintained that the complaints accepted by the House against Marcos are all fake. Despite this, they said they will continue their fight for accountability. Reporting for Newsline World, this has been MJ Mondiha, SMNA News.